This is the architecture studio on the ground floor in the new IQ building, and we've been running a project with first year students really focusing on the needs of the homeless people, and it has a number of aspects to it. One is to introduce the whole idea of what it means to be homeless and the issues around every city centre across Britain, and also the needs of the individual in terms of survival. What shelters do we have? How do we live? Different times, parts of the world, different dates, different periods, different technologies. What do we need today to live? And so the students have been challenged with a very low-key budget, with basically recycling a sustainable approach to design a shelter for people, probably within the Swansea area or even the wider areas around Wales, to look at the issues of warmth, comfort, dampness, and being able to survive a cold night in Britain.
So we went through a load of different processes, we looked at loads of different materials. I'd say that one of our biggest things was trying to find the material that we were going to use to begin with. And we looked at treated cardboard. We looked at loads of different buildings that were used in loads of different places. We've got loads of third world countries that have done like temporary buildings. So we took inspiration from that, really.
This inspires us to sort of give back to the community more and see people that are in need more than we are, and sort of like provide for people that are in need that can't provide for themselves. We now look around, and when we go through town and things like that, we know what these people need because we've looked into it now, and because we try to accommodate for them ourselves, we're like, okay, so you must be cold, you must be hungry, so we try and accommodate for that, and it makes us think more about these people and what they need.